Good evening, students. Welcome to Tenali Pathshala. Myself, Mahesh Kot. Today onwards, I am going to start NEET Chemistry ODI series. Meaning is, regarding chemistry, every day we are going to discuss 50 MCQs from different chapters. So the today's match is match number 1. U versus solid state. That means in today's class we are going to discuss the 50 MCQs on solid state. So those should be most important MCQs. Daily we are going to talk about the one chapter. Yes guys, let us start. See, I have taken different questions from all the concepts. See guys, first question. This is from properties and types of solids. Which of the following is a ferromagnetic compound, they are asking. Which of the following is ferroelectric compound, they are asking. See the options. BaTiO3. See the one coordination compound is given. Pb2O3, PbZrO3. Yes guys, which answer is correct? Yes, option A is the correct answer for this question. See question number 2. Solid CO2 is an example of. CO2 is an example of which type of solids, guys? It is a molecular crystalline solids. So solid CO2 is an example for molecular crystal. Talking about the question number 3. Value of heat of fusion of NaCl is. So for NaCl, it is an ionic compound. Heat of fusion is very high. Yes. For NaCl, heat of fusion is very high. Question number 4. Piezoelectric crystals are used in. Piezoelectric crystals are usually used in record player. Remember guys, they are used in record players. Option number C is the correct answer. If you want to take a screenshot, you can take it guys. Yes. Let us begin with the question number 5. Which of the following is true for diamonds, they are asking. You know, diamond is good conductor of velocity? No. Diamond is soft? No. Diamond is bad conductor of heat? Diamond is made up of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. So which of the following is true guys? Yes, diamond is a bad conductor of heat. This is the correct answer. Question number 6. NaCl is an example of. You know already it is an ionic solid. NaCl is a ionic solid. Option number B is the correct answer. Amorphous substance show. Short and long range order? No. Short range order? Yes. Long range order? No. Have no sharp melting point. That means statement B and statement D are correct. So you have to see the option which is containing B and D. So it is there in the option number D only. So B and D are correct. Option number D is the correct answer for this question. Next one. Diamond is an example of. Yes, diamond is an example of. They are asking for solid with hydrogen bonding, electrovalent solid, covalent solid and glass they have given. So which type of compound this solid diamond is? Diamond is a covalent solid. Yes guys, diamond is a covalent solid, remember. What about the next question? The solid NaCl is a bad conductor of electricity. Since why solid NaCl is a bad conductor of electricity, they are asking. In solid NaCl there are no ions. Solid NaCl is a covalent. In solid NaCl there is no velocity of ions. In solid NaCl there are no electrons. Which option is correct? There is a no velocity of ions. In solid NaCl, the ions are not moving. Hence, they do not conduct electricity. Yes, guys. Which is not a property of solid, they are asking. Solids are always crystalline in nature. Solids have a high density and low compressibility. The diffusion of solid is very slow. Solid have definite volume. Which one is a not property of the solid, they are asking? Option number A only. Solids may be crystalline, may be amorphous. In option number A, what they have given? Solids are always crystalline. This is a wrong statement and this is the correct answer for this question. Question number 11. Which solid will have weakest intermolecular forces? ice, phosphorus, naphthalene, sodium fluoride. And correct answer is ice, because here weak van der Waals forces are existed in case of ice. Dulong and Petit's law is valid only for, it is valid only for solid elements. Remember, Dulong and Petit's law is valid only for solid elements. Which of the following is an example of metallic crystal solid? See guys, looking at the option, which answer is correct? Yes, option number C, tungsten. W is the correct answer. This is an example for metallic crystal solid. Yes guys. Question number 14. To get N-type semiconductor, the impurity to be added to silicon should have which of the following number of valence electrons? To get N-type of semiconductor, they are asking. To get M-type of semiconductor, the silicon should have which of the following number of valence electron? Impurity doped to silicon. N-type, you will get, yes guys, to get N-type semiconductor, the impurity to be added to silicon should have which of the following number of valency? Means it is 1. Which of the following is not a crystalline solid, they are asking. Answer is option D, glass. Glass is a example for non-crystalline solid. Question number 16. The luster of metal is due to presence of free electron. Option D is the correct answer. The luster of metal is due to presence of free electrons. Now you see guys, now we are going to talk about the 7 crystal system, and afterwards we'll discuss the MCQs on 7 crystal system. See guys, how to remember all the edge length and interfacial angles by trick CT or HMT. You have to remember like this CT or HMT. C for cubic, T for tetragonal, O for orthorhombic or R for rhombohedral, HMT, H for hexagonal, M for monoclinic, and last T is for triclinic. Carefully observe guys, edge length. First you have to write all are equal. Then एक को काटना है. A equal to B equal to C is there. No, just B is not equal to C you have to do. Okay. तीसरे में दोनों को काटना है. देखो ऑल आर इक्वल, एक को काटना है, दोनों को काटना है. ऑल आर इक्वल, एक को काटना है, दोनों को काटना है. ऐसा करना है. So last one, you know, for triclinic, directly remember A is not equal to B is not equal to C, and alpha is not equal to beta is not equal to gamma is not equal to 90. Remember, triclinic example is K2CR207. And how to remember interfacial angle? See guys, first 4. Cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic, rhombohedral, all alpha, beta, gamma are equal only. And first 3, all are equal to 90. What about fourth one? Alpha, beta, gamma are equal, but not equal to 90. What about hexagonal? Alpha and beta are 90, but gamma is 120. You remember only this one. And alpha, gamma 90, beta is not equal to 90 in case of monoclinic. So easily you can remember guys. How to remember it? CT or HMT, all are equal, एक को काटना है, दोनों को काटना है. ऑल आर इक्वल, एक को काटना है, दोनों को काटना है. ट्राइक्लिनिक तो क्या होता है भाई? A is not equal to B is not equal to C only. Alpha is not equal to beta is not equal to gamma is not equal to 90 only. Example is K2CR207. Then how to remember interfacial angle? First 4, alpha equal to beta is equal to gamma, and first 3 equal to 90, fourth one not equal to 90. Fifth one, alpha and beta 90 but gamma 120. Sixth one, alpha gamma 90 but beta is not equal to 90. Easily you can remember. Yes, let us start the MCQs on this concept. Yes guys. See, tetragonal crystal system has the following unit cell dimensions they are asking. Tetragonal, you just remember CT, that means second one. And you know in second one, first all are equal, second one एक को काटना है, एक को काटना है. Option C, option B and D are correct now. Now you have to go for interfacial angle. Second one is there, alpha, beta, gamma are equal and equal to 90. So option B is the correct answer. Easily you can remember guys. Yes, you have to remember what is the trick guys. CT or HMT. C का मतलब cubic, T का मतलब tetragonal, O का मतलब orthorhombic, R का मतलब rhombohedral, H का मतलब हेक्सागोनल, M का मतलब होता है मोनोक्लिनिक, T का मतलब होता है ट्राइक्लिनिक. हाउ टू रिमेंबर? ऑल आर इक्वल, फर्स्ट लास्ट को काटना है, दोनों को काटना है. इक्वल लास्ट को काटना है, दोनों को काटना है. ट्राइक्लिनिक तो सबको काटना है. How to remember interfacial angle? First four are alpha, beta, gamma are equal. And first three are equal to 90. Fourth one is not equal to 90. Fifth one, alpha, beta 90, but gamma is 120. Sixth one, alpha, gamma are 90, but beta is not equal to 90. And last one, triclinic. आपको पता है triclinic में कुछ भी equal नहीं होता. Alpha, beta, gamma are not equal at all and not equal to 90 also. And remember the example for triclinic. It is K2Cr2O7. Next, moving to the next question. Rhombic sulfur has following structure. So it has puckered 8-membered ring. Yes guys, option D is the correct answer. Space lattice of CaF2 is calcium chloride they are asking. So it is face centered cubic. CaF2, NaCl, KCl, these all are face centered cubic lattice. For cubic coordination, the value of radius ratio is, they are asking for cubic. It is option A only, 0.7322 to 1.000. That means 0.7322 to 1 is the radius ratio for cubic coordination. So how to find out radius ratio? Radius ratio is equal to radius of the cation divided by radius of the anion. Moving to the next question. How many space lattices are obtainable from the different crystal system? 14 Bravais lattices, already you discussed there in the concept. Example of unit cell with crystallographic dimensions. See, alpha, A, B, C, all are not equal. Alpha and gamma 90, but beta is not equal to 90. Which one it one? See, all are not equal means first all are equal. एक को काटो, दूसरों को काटो. That means it may be the third one. But in third one, alpha, beta, gamma all are equal. Correct or not? So just you see here guys. So you are not going to get third one. Then you go for next fourth, fifth, sixth one. Yes, sixth one means CT or HM. Monoclinic is the correct answer for this question. In face-centered cubic lattice, a unit cell is shared equally by how many unit cell? 6 unit cell. Yes. Moving to the next question. The maximum radius of the sphere that can be fitted in the octahedral hole of cubical closed packing of sphere of radius r is, they are asking. So correct answer is 0.414 r. The unit cell of NaCl lattice is a body centered, has 3 Na plus ion, has 4 NaCl in it, is electrically charged, has 4 NaCl in it, and you know NaCl is a face centered cube, it is not a body centered. Correct or not? So correct option among the following is 4 NaCl units. For tetrahedral coordination number, the radius ratio, radius of the cation divided by radius of the anion is, they are asking. For tetrahedral, 0.2252 to 0.414, and for octahedral, remember 0.7322 to 1 for octahedral. For tetrahedral, 0.2252 to 0.414. What type of lattice is found in potassium chloride crystals? It is FCC only, face centered cubic. Potassium, CaF2, NaCl, these all are face centered cubic. Remember the point. The three-dimensional graph of lattice points which sets the pattern for the whole lattice is called. It is a three-dimensional graph of the lattice point which sets the pattern for whole crystal lattice. So smallest repeating unit they are asking. It is a unit cell. It is a unit cell. Crystal packing. Next concept is crystal packing. See guys, if you count overall questions, you are going to get 50 only. Hence the name ODI. 50 overs there in the ODI, 50 questions are there in ODI series, right? So crystal packing. See guys, an example of body cube is they are asking. Correct answer is sodium. An example for fluoride structure. SrF2, strontium fluoride is having fluoride structure. In which of the following crystal alternate tetrahedral wires are occupied? Alternate tetrahedral wires are occupied in case of ZnS, zinc sulfide. Which of the following contains rock salt structure? MgO. MgO, magnesium oxide, contains rock salt structure. In the fluoride structure, the coordination number of calcium 2 plus ion is. In the fluoride structure, the coordination number of calcium 2 plus ion is. It is correct answer is option number C. 8 is the correct answer. The ratio of close packed atoms to tetrahedral holes in cubic close packing is, they are asking. And what is the ratio, guys? 1:2 ratio we are getting. Question number 7. A solid is made up of two elements, X and Z. The atoms Z are in CCP. CCP in the sense, it is nothing but FCC only, face-centered cubic arrangement. Which atoms Z are in face-centered cubic arrangement, while the atoms X occupy all the tetrahedral sites. What is the formula of the compound, they are asking. So when you go on calculating it, you will get the answer as X2Z. Your answer is X2Z. An ionic compound has unit cell consisting of A ions at the corners of the cube and B ions on the center of the faces of the cube. The empirical formula of this compound would be, they are asking. They are asking for empirical formula. See guys, A ions are the corners of the cube and B ions are the center of the face of the cube. You know, A ions are at the corner means, so what is the corner percentage we are going to get here? 8 corners are there. Each corner percentage is 1/8. So we'll get 8 into 1/8 is 1 you will get. So A ions are only 1 A ion is there. What about B? B ions are at the center of the face of the cube. Center of the face of the cube means, you know how many faces are there? 6 faces. What is the percentage of the face? 1/2. 6 into 1/2 will get 3. So 1A, 3B will get. 1A, 3B is there in the option C. AB, 3 is the correct answer for this question. Talking about the next question. The vacant space in the BCC unit cell is. First you tell me guys, in BCC unit cell, what is the packing fraction percentage? You will get 68%. The 68% of the space is filled. Then remaining 32% should be empty. Vacant means empty, they are asking. Option A is the correct answer. The number of close neighbors in body-centered cubic lattice of identical spheres is. 8 is the correct answer. The number of octahedral sites per sphere in a FCC structure is. Correct answer is only 1. Next concept, mathematical analysis of cubic system and Bragg's equation. See guys, the formula of the determination of density of unit cell is. So it is, what is the formula for density, to calculate the density of the unit cell? Yes, option B. Nm divided by A cube Na. N is the number of atoms, M is the molar mass, A is the edge length, Na is the Avogadro's number. So yeah, Zm, in your NCERT textbook they have given Zm. So Z in the sense number of atoms only. Here you written N in the sense number of atoms only. Nm divided by A cube Na. Option B is the correct answer. What about second question? Potassium chlorides has NaCl type structure. What is the distance between K plus and F minus ions if cell edge is A centimeter? Correct answer is A by 2 centimeter. Just to go on calculating it, you will get A by 2 centimeter. An element occurring in the BCC structure has 12.08 into 10 power 23 unit cells. The total number of atoms of the elements in these cells will be. So what they are asking, total number of atoms they are asking. See guys, your correct answer is 24.16 into 10 power 23. So when you go on solving it, you will get the answer like this. Just check it guys, either it is correct or not. Next question. If an atom is present in the center of the cube, the participation of that atom per unit cell is 1, only 1. Because you know, center of the cube means entirely belong to that cube only. So totally 1, that atom should be belong to that cube only. For an ionic crystal of the general formula AX and coordination number 6, the value of radius ratio will be 0.73 to 0.41. 4. This is the correct answer. Question number 6 here in this concept. In face-centered cubic unit cell, edge length is, they are asking for edge length A value. If for a face-centered cubic unit cell, 4 divided by root 2 R. You know, A is equal to 4R divided by root 2. That itself is the correct answer for FCC. And for BCC, 4R divided by root 3. Option A for BCC. Crystal structure and coordination number. See guys, what is the, just read the question number 1 here. So correct answer for this question is NaWO3, sodium tungsten oxide. Potassium crystallizes in BCC lattice. Hence the coordination number of potassium in potassium metal is, correct answer is 8. Body centered cubic lattice has coordination number of, it is also 8 only. Yes. Compound is formed by elements A and B. This crystallizes in cubic structure when atoms A are in the corner of the cube, B atoms are at the center of the body. The simplest formula they are asking. A are at the corners. What is the corner part? 1 by 8. How many corners are there? 8. 8 into 1 by 8 is 1. So A is only 1. What about B? B are at the center of the body. That indicates that they entirely belong to that cube. So correct answer is A1, B1, nothing but AB. Option A is the correct answer for this question. Coordination number for copper is, it is a 12. In crystal of cesium chloride, the nearest neighbor of the each cesium ion are 8 chloride ions. Very important, remember this one. In a crystal of Cg chloride, the nearest neighbor of this each Cg ion are 8 chloride ions. Not only 6, not only 2, 8 chloride ions are present. In cubic structure of compound which is made from X and Y, where X atoms are at the corners of the cube and Y atoms are at the face center of the cube. See, X atoms are at the corners means 8 into 1 by 8, because 8 corners are there, corner part is 1 by 8. 8 into 1 by 8 is 1, so X is 1. You see the options, X is 1 is there in option number C and D. Just check for Y. Y atom are at the face centered of the cube. Face centered means how many faces are there? 6. So what is the part of the face? 1 by 2. So 6 into 1 by 2 is 3. So you have to see the answer as X equal to 1 and Y is equal to 3. X1, Y3, which is there in option number D. Talking about the next question, 8th question. You just read the question guys properly. So your answer, correct answer for this question is 4 Ap plus 2 and 4 O2 minus are present. Radius ratio in the range of 0.414 to 0.732, then the coordination number will be. So you know already, this is for octahedral. So hence you are getting 6. What is the coordination number of sodium in Na2O? It is 4. The ratio of cationic radius to the anionic radius in an ionic crystal is greater than 0.732. Its coordination number is 8. Because up to 0.732 it is a octahedral 6. Greater than 0.732 means it is greater than 6 only. So correct answer is option number B, 8. Last concept. So defects in crystals, mainly they are asking for, Schottky defect and Frankel defect. You just read properly those things. Definitely one question will be, may come in your annual exam, may come in your NEET exam, may come in your CET exam also. See guys, certain crystals produces electrical signals on application of pressure. This phenomenon is called, piezoelectricity. Which defect causes decrease in density of the crystal? So which defect causes decrease in density of the crystal? Where equal number of cations and anions are missing. When it is possible? In case of Schottky. Remember guys, Frankel means some of the lattice sites are jumped from, some of the cations are jumped from lattice site to interstitial site. What about Schottky? Schottky defect is a defect where equal number of cations and anions are missing from the lattice only. That means in Frankel, cations are just jumped from lattice site to interstitial site. But in Schottky, equal number of cations and anions are missing from the lattice, entirely went outside. So if they are entirely went outside, mass decreases. If mass decreases means density decreases. So where in case of Schottky. Third question, correct statement regarding F centers. You know what are F centers? They are called as Farbenzenter center. They are colored in nature, you know already. Their electrons are occupied. Electrons are held in the wires of the crystal. F center produces color to the crystal. Conductivity of crystal increases due to F center. All are correct only. So correct option is option number D. Next question, doping of silicon with boron leads to insulators. Doping of silicon with boron leads to insulators. See guys, when you dope the silicon, germanium with boron family, like arsenic like that, gallium, indium like that, you will get N type of semiconductors. So when you dope the silicon with boron, you will get insulator. Remember, NaCl is doped with 10 power minus 3 more percent SrCl2, then concentration of the cation vacancies will be they are asking. Correct answer is first A, 1 into 10 power minus 3 mole percent. In the laboratory, sodium chloride is made by burning the sodium in the atmosphere of the chlorine, which is yellow in color. The cause of the yellow color is presence of electrons in the crystal lattice. Option C is the correct answer. Seventh question, Frankel defect is caused due to just shift of positive ions from the its normal sites or lattice sites to interstitial sites. So which is there in the option number D only. Just now I told Frankel defect is caused by jumping a cation from its lattice sites to interstitial sites. That itself they have given shift of positive charge. Positive means cation. Which of the following has Frankel defect? Sodium chloride, silver bromide, graphite, diamond. Correct answer is silver bromide, AgBr. And you remember AgBr can show Frankel as well as Schottky. Very important it is. Schottky defect generally appears in NaCl, KCl, all of these. Schottky defect in crystal is observed when density of the crystal increases? No, density of the crystal decreases. Why guys? Because equal number of cations and anions are missing from the lattice, mass decreases, therefore density also decreases. So density of the crystal increases, it is wrong. Unequal number of cations and anions are missing, wrong. An ion leaves its normal site and occupy an interstitial site, wrong. It is Frankel. Equal number of cations and anions are missing. Yes, it is the correct answer. Option D is the correct answer. Due to Frankel defect, the density of the ionic solid increases, decreases, does not change, changes. Due to Frankel, just now we have discussed, Frankel is nothing but the cations are just jump from interstitial sites to, lattice sites to interstitial sites. That means there is no element is missing. There is no element went outside. Density will not change because mass will not change. Density remains same in case of Frankel, but density decreases in case of Schottky. So they are asking for Frankel, which is correct, does not change. Frankel and Schottky defects are, these are crystal defects. Option C is the correct answer. So here completes up to 50 MCQs. See guys, this is okay to you, or if you want a clear explanation means from the next video onwards I will make an explanation. So just comment on so which type you want, if you want like this only, or if you want a clear explanation also. If I wanted to give a clear explanation means the video should be 1 hour, 1.5 hour, like that it will be. So just comment on over it. So if you want a clear explanation with a solution also, I will upload like that also. So from tomorrow, stay tuned guys. Second match, you versus solution. I will again bring some solid questions from the solution chapter. 50 MCQs we are going to solve. Yes guys, these are the homeworks for you. Just take a screenshot and comment your answer on the comment section. See guys, 3 questions I have given. The radii of the NaCl something is given. Sodium metal crystallizes in BCC. Which of the following crystal has unit cell such as this one? And I have told you to remember the trick also. Unit cell with crystallographic dimensions. Again same thing. So just you have to answer these 4 questions. You have to write the question number and your options. Comment right. and at least for this much effort, please give one like and share among your friends so that every friends can get a benefit of it. And you have to tell guys, either you want this type of MCQs or you want with the solutions. Yes guys, thank you, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for match 2, you versus solution, tomorrow 22nd 6 2022. We'll discuss it. Thank you.